Now, electroplating is the process of depositing a layer of desired metal on another material by means of electricity. Now, why it is written desired metal? The metal which you want to cover over another metal, which is normally an inferior metal, to make it look beautiful, is called electroplating. Electroplating is very useful process. It is widely used in industry for coating metal objects with thin layer of different metal. Now, why is electroplating used? Why can't we paint one metal over another metal? Because when you want to paint, you need a metal in liquid form, so you will have to melt it, so you can't melt and paint. Therefore, electrolysis is used like we described in the experiment. The layer of metal deposited has desired property which the metal of the object lacks. Like if you want to coat an iron object, iron normally will start rusting. To prevent it from rusting, it is coated with a layer of tin or chromium. So when it is done, the electricity is passed, the metals are dipped in a solution, and then current is passed and a layer is deposited. Chromium plating is done on many objects such as car parts, bath taps. So you have seen all these objects which are mentioned here. They look like stainless steel, but actually they are not steel. They are iron objects which have been chrome plated. So they exactly look like stainless steel, and they do not rust. But if you scratch them, then the shine will come out, and from bottom you will see the lower layer which will be of the cheaper metal. Chromium has a shiny appearance. It does not corrode. It resists scratches. However, chromium is expensive and may not be economical to make the whole object out of chromium. So the object is made from a cheaper metal, and only a coating of chromium is used. Chromium is a metal which is expensive, and like in the experiment we read that there are two copper rods. So in that, the rod which you want to coat and the rod which you want to coat with, so one is made the positive electrode, another is made the negative electrode, and current is passed. The metal which you want to coat is kept on the negative end, and on passing electric current, the metal deposits on the electrode. So this electroplating is used for coating of different objects. It is used in making silver ornaments look like gold by coating them with a gold object. So it is a very common which is used for in different industry. So here electricity is passed through solution and then electroplating.